Your life is not even moving as well. You tried charms, you tried everything. But nothing is moving. I want to pray for you. I don't know whichever overflow you are in. I want you to walk right here now. David, popular. Actually, you are a DJ. What's your name?
David.
Huh?
David.
David what?
DJ Collect.
DJ Collect. Yes. Mr. DJ, let's go. Where are you from?
From
Can you speak louder?
Makau Harangua.
Did you use a charm before? Because I'm seeing charms.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
You took charms from different witch doctors, but nothing worked.
Nothing.
Where are those charms?
I leave it at home.
Huh?
I leave it at home.
You leave them at home. He has left the charms at home. And I call out his name. I even said your name is actually DJ. Do I know you, sir?
Yes, no, no,
Huh? Have you ever told me your name before? Have you ever told me your name or where you stay, your house number, your address, how many kids you have? Do I know you?
Oh.
I'm asking.
Yeah, we meet before. Yeah, we meet before here.
What did we meet? What did we talk?
Around 2 o'clock.
I was here today.
Yes, I meet.
You saw me? Me? You saw me?
Yes, to speak with someone today. You asked me.
Put the hands on Jesus, this guy. Do I know you? Have I ever met you before? Do I know you? Do you have anyone who can speak his language?
I was sitting.
Put your hands for Jesus. Do you have somebody who can interpret? What language do you speak? What does this?
Tswana.
Huh?
Tswana.
You speak Tswana?
Yeah, go.
Okay. Ask him, do you see what language you speak? What you speak?
It was Tswana.
He speaks Tswana.
He speaks Tswana?
Yes.
He says he saw me today and I was in Malawi.
Are umoni na kaje?
Legidu sifatse atla mo nampitsa ra tswela go ntle a mbutsa gore ke nna mang.
He said he called you, you called him and you asked him what is your name?
I called him. I called you where?
Arumidise ko kae?
Ndikile ka mo basement.
Mo overflow.
Yeah, mo flow mo fast.
What time?
Kana koma.
Nele mtshari.
Mutsa, he said during the day you called him.
I met you.
He said during the day.
I met you.
By the overflow.
Was I here?
Oh, he said the way he said.
Was I here?
Oh, he said the way he said it's so suspicious that you are the one whom he saw. Anyway,
the charms which you took from a witch doctor, where are they?
In my house.
Huh? Sir, I want you to stop believing in witch doctors.
Yes.
Okay? This man says, I'm surprised. The way you call me David, you call me DJ. Oh, I'm surprised you call my name. And then he says, today 2 o'clock I was with him in the overflow. Was I here 2 o'clock?
It's a dream.
Huh?
But you were in Blantyre.
All right. You know when one is being delivered? The charms which you have, I want you to bring them on Sunday. That we burn them, okay?
Yes, yes, Prophet.
You understand?
Understand, Prophet. Understand. That is you. I see you now.
This guy is crazy. Are you sure this man is okay? Who saw me today around 12 o'clock here? Do you have anybody here who saw me? Alright, raise up your hand.
Let's call a spade a spade. I don't beat around the bush, Bushiri, you're not a prophet. You are not major, you're majoring in the minors. Me not afraid of them and them. If they don't repent, hellfire gonna burn them. Luke 13, 25 to 27. I'm about to tell the truth and it will set them free. You need to enlighten your congregation. The girls that you're having sex with are confirmation. Puti utumiki wako the abomination. Pambu zako umazipeza through divination. Imasulire interpretation. Uru amadenga mpamvu zake kumadzi. Asinganga ako akuhurura uli madzi. Kabinga dikuchecha njoka siwonekere. I can hear your spiritual sons avekere. Hey papa, gimu ya lakwa papa. I am not a rapper, don't get it twisted. Hinendine nyambuti and you've been hit listed. Dikupuku salegeni yanga mulimwala. Ndine mwana wa mulungu sungandi pendi mangwala. You got some explaining to do, Bushiri, you got some explaining to do, and I'm listening. Blind followers, please wear spectacles and watch God make Bushiri a public spectacle. I am a giant killer. I am a giant killer. False prophets, I will chop you down like Elijah and the prophets abound. Yeah, I'm ready to die on the battlefield. I'm a warrior and in a sign I got it. I gave up the fame and fortune. Got it. God prepared me for this battle. Got it. You haven't heard before. I have killed a lot of bears and lions before. Maybe you haven't listened to As You Grow. Maybe you haven't listened to Exodus Part 2. From experience, I know God can kill you too. I've seen him do it before, he's gonna do it again.